When making cell edits, there are a few different options available. For cells with data in it, you can come over to the cell itself, select it, and you can either double click to open up the formula bar or just start typing a number. I'm going to change this from -38 to -40 million. And you can also type in the value shorthanded. Notice how I typed in -40m to represent -40 million. Select enter. Notice that the values have now changed, both for the original plan value plus the actuals minus plan over here as the comparison. And we now get a symbol next to it of a pencil icon, which will represent that this has been edited. And it converted our formatted entry of -40m into -40 million. Additionally, let's observe some other ways we can use the cell edit function. I'm going to come over to this row. I'm going to come down to insert and insert a static row. I'm going to name this miscellaneous expenses and create it. And for the actuals, I'm going to come over to this cell here, double click it to open the formula bar. And now I can actually point at two different cells. I'm going to use the IT expenses and add that as well with the other expenses. And just like you would with cells in Excel, you do get the color highlighting as part of both the formula bar and then the cells themselves. Plus, if you're doing a lot of formula editing, you can use the pin icon here to keep the formula bar open. And once I hit enter, you'll see the value adds into here, but notice as well, if you double click it again, you'll still get those original cell references. And for the plan number, I'm going to manually enter it. I'll make that -150 million. And then once again, all of the automatic variance calculations now compute those values now that I have the actuals and the plan value itself. Additionally, for cell edits, if you do not want to show the symbol here for the pencil, you can come up to display and you can disable edit cell indicator, which will then hide it from the table. Additionally, you can also come over to any cell and you can do Ctrl+C and then Ctrl+V to copy and paste that value from another cell into any cell edits as you would like as well. And the last two things to mention is if you double click the cell here, you can come up here to the formula bar and select the reset button, which will return it to the original value set in that cell. Additionally, if you come up to the advanced ribbon and go to audit, you'll see that with this cell selected, it shows all of the changes made to this cell.